name is Paul.
Everyone, I'm Constance.
But it's both easy and convenient. Step 1. The packaging your smartphone.
Hi, my name is Nicholas. I've been part of the Chamberlain's family since 2022 in the Bulk and Directs department, and today I'll be showing you how to install new house numbers to improve your home's curb appeal. Let's start off with the tools that you'll need. A concrete drill bit, some wall plugs, a marker to mark the holes for your numbers, the house numbers that you like, and a drill to drill those holes. Alright, so my first step is going to be to take my old house numbers off to replace it with new ones. With brute force we could do anything. Alright, now that our numbers have been removed, we can use our Chamberlain's multi-purpose crack filler to fill up all of the holes, and we'll use a new layer of paint so that you don't see any of the residue left by the old numbers. And then we can look at a new place where we can put our new numbers. Alright, so now that we have our spot to put our new numbers, we've decided on keeping them in a diagonal kind of pattern. So what I'm going to do to start off is I'm going to place my first one on and use that as the reference for the second one. So what I'm going to do is find my place on the wall, take my marker or my pencil, whichever you prefer to use, and then just make your dot where you would like to drill your holes on each hole. And then now we know where we're going to drill before putting the numbers on. Alright, so I'm going to drill in just as deep as my anchor goes, so I'm going to use that as my measurement to make sure that the residue from the concrete lines up with the plug, to make sure that the hole isn't too deep or too shallow. Now you want to make sure you don't keep the drill bit in for too long, otherwise the drill bit will overheat and it won't be able to drill any further due to it not being sharp anymore. Okay, then we're just going to pop the anchor in, and then we'll do the same for the next hole. Now that we have our holes in place and our anchors in their holes, we can just line it up with the number, and then we're just going to put our screws in to be screwed in and hold the number in place. And now all that's left is just to tighten the screws. Now that we've got our number in place, we can follow the exact same process to put our second number in place, and we use this as our reference point to make sure you've got them exactly where you want them. There you have it, your new house number is installed. Thank you for watching, and if you would like any further advice, feel free to visit one of our 9 Chamberlain stores where a friendly expert will be willing to help. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.